Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation here from year 2012 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuel pump fuses are located. Bad news, you may have up to 9 fuses, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, and that way you don't waste your money, guys, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. We'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay in that generation Toyota Camry and every car we get at the garage. Why we do that? Because many of you will need that information sooner or later. Let's say you need a fuel pump, guys, fuse, or you need a steering angle sensor. Those will not be labeled correctly. You will have abbreviations that might say something like FI. You may not have an idea that's a fuel pump, guys, or fuel injection system. So that's why we're making video for every single fuse, every single relay, to save you time and money. And if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or if you need to find a fuse, all we have to do, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out the fuse, instead of, guys, spending time to find it in the service manual, instead of, guys, wasting money, okay, and time on parts and tools you don't need. Another thing, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers, guys, and we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. Another thing, let us show you something quick. You have, guys, some special fuses and relays. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you don't waste your money. You have those multi-block fuses. We'll put the link for them as well, for different fuses, for different relays, okay? All kinds of fuses and relays. If you need to buy some and not to waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So now let's go ahead and explain, guys, okay, the fuel pump, okay, fuses, why you may have up to 9, because they're for the fuel injection system. Each one of those can actually affect your fuel pump. We have 2 different fuse boxes. We'll be working in both of them today, and we will start with the one that's on the inside. If you look on the driver's side, look upside down in the dash, guys, okay, above the pedals on the left side, and you will notice that you have one white cover, fuse box cover. Remove that cover, you have a fuse box layout that will look like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, guys, we need to check, okay, 4 fuses in that fuse box. We're going to start with fuse number 2. That's super easy, 10M fuse right here. So check that fuse, guys, fuse number 2. Then we need to find fuse number 12, which is that 7.5M fuse here as well. Check that fuse, guys. Then you will need to check fuse number 22 right here. And you will need to check fuse number 23. These 4 fuses will be in that fuse box. The next fuse box is under the hood. Open the hood on your Toyota Camry, that's your engine, car battery, that's a fuse box cover here. Open that cover, you will see a fuse box layout that will look like this one. This is towards the windshield side, this is towards the front of the Toyota Camry. Here, guys, let's zoom in a little bit so we can see the fuses that we will need to check here specifically. We may have up to 5 fuses, guys, in this fuse box. We're talking about fuse number 13 right here. That fuse will need to be checked. You need to check fuse number 14, fuse number 15, fuse number 16 right here, and then you need to check fuse number 19 right here. Okay, that fuse right here. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.